Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Freshworks easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Freshworks. Press enter to navigate to the Freshworks homepage. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your first name in the designated field. Next, enter your last name. Now, provide your business email address. Create a strong password and type it into the password field. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided box. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Enter your business phone number in the next field. Specify your job title in the appropriate section. Choose the size of your company from the available options. Once you have filled in all necessary information, review your entries for accuracy. Proceed to click the Get Started button to submit your form. A verification email will be sent to the address you provided. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Freshworks. Open the email and locate the verification link. Click on the verification link to complete your registration. You may be directed back to the Freshworks site on successful verification. Follow any additional prompts to set up your account preferences. Once your account setup is complete, you're ready to start using Freshworks. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Freshworks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.